In today's video, I'm going to show you how to print to a local printer from Chrome Remote Desktop. If you're remotely connected to another computer and need to print a document using the printer connected to your current computer, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to access a file on a remote computer and print it from your local printer. Let's get started. First, open Chrome Remote Desktop on your computer. Now connect to the remote computer you want to access. If you're connecting using a one-time access code, enter the code and click Connect. Wait a few moments while the connection is established. Once connected, you'll be able to see and control the remote computer directly from your screen. Now locate the document you want to print. This could be a PDF file, Word document, spreadsheet, image, presentation, or any other printable file. Open the folder where the file is stored and make sure it's the correct document. At this point, many people expect to simply click Print and choose their local printer. However, Chrome Remote Desktop doesn't directly connect your local printer to the remote computer. Instead, you'll first need to move the file from the remote computer to your current computer. To do that, look for the Session Controls menu on the right side of the Chrome Remote Desktop window. Click the arrow to expand the menu. Here, you'll find several remote session options. Look for the Download File option. Click on Download File. Now browse to the document you want to print and select it. Chrome Remote Desktop will begin transferring the file to your local computer. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, this may take a few seconds or a little longer. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder. You should now see the file that was transferred from the remote computer. Double-click the file to open it. Now that the file is on your local computer, you can print it using your own printer. Press Ctrl-P on Windows or Command-P on Mac. You can also click File and then Print if you prefer using menus. The print window will now appear. Here you'll see a list of printers available on your computer. Select the printer you want to use. Before printing, take a moment to review the print settings. You can choose the number of copies, page orientation, color settings, paper size, and other options depending on your printer. After confirming everything looks correct, click Print. Your document will now be sent directly to your local printer. In a few moments, the document should begin printing. This method is especially useful when you're working from home and need to print files stored on your office computer. It's also helpful if you're helping a friend or family member remotely and need access to documents stored on another device. Another advantage of this method is that it works with many different file types. Whether you're printing contracts, reports, invoices, presentations, or images, the process is generally the same. If you don't see the Download File option, make sure you're using the latest version of Chrome Remote Desktop. You can also save the file using cloud storage or email it to yourself as an alternative method. As a quick recap, connect to the remote computer, locate the document you want to print, use the Download File option to transfer it to your computer, open the file locally, and then print it using your connected printer. Following these steps allows you to print remote files even when the printer is connected to your local computer. And that's it. Now you know how to print to a local printer from Chrome Remote Desktop. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with others who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.